Bindas Syiem of Umden village in Ri Bhoi District has been protesting at the parking lot of the Additional Secretariat in Shillong since the 6th of June 2024. Syem's demonstration highlights the state government's neglect in addressing the long-standing disrepair of the 59-kilometer Nongpoh-Umden-Sonapur Road, which has remained in a poor condition for over a decade. A government medical team visited Syem at approximately 4:30 p.m. on the 7th of June 2024, 28 hours after her protest began. The team examined her vitals but did not disclose any information about her condition, which appeared to have deteriorated since the previous day. When asked about the medical checkup, Syem stated that her health remains stable, though she is experiencing weakness due to more than 24 hours of starvation.
Ki doktor ki ong ba kilat theo ye ka sini kilat theo ye ka BP te ki ong ba kabiang ka sini ka BP ro kabiang te ki ong batang kata ka jingklat ka junga nangar ba ngaklem bam tan na shoot ka don tan ka jingklat.
Supporters from across Ri Bhoi District and other parts of the state that include individuals and pressure groups gathered at the parking lot of the Additional Secretariat today to visit and encourage Bindas Syiem in her protest for the rights and welfare of the people of Ri Bhoi District. The Ri Bhoi People's Council, led by President John Lennox Nongrum, also showed their support for Syiem. They demanded that the government, through the Public Works Department, address the long-standing neglect of the 59-kilometer Nongpoh-Umden-Sonapur Road. The council emphasized that despite nearly 2 decades of promises from successive leaders, no significant repairs have been made.
Baluan pej ya ka jinglong jingman jong ikong Bindas Syiem kat habang ngarang ay kan statement menta mirang iba kitang siwan menta nadu menin ikong itia ang ne klembam Henry menta janmit kidang wan ka medical team kan ka diga jingle ranyi ka sorkar kala de bandem ya ka kli jong ka haga jingle ranyi bat la kidon ya kata jing smotu ya la kidon ya kata jing tiplem daga moral responsibility of minister in charge ka PWD la da umla ban ay ka assurance hakini kisni ki bamenta ula di benihar suki kata diga keru anak liang keseng tar labun ki MLA la daka baburom habang yikran ki no yelam ngila yo what your chief minister over represent ya ka nongpo konstitusi kumuta ukli we yelam ya ka jela bro kawai Henry nanu gitu kisnem ro kan kala long kawai ka mat ban yelap election Henry kabasungsi kalong bahadu kini kisi ki bamantar ginang hak banikar ni kata kaju uwe MLA hadin uwe pan hakapor election kani ka kalalong kawin na pengkimat ban penbi yo pai ba budget yang ngan IP ya ka kampen roy Henry sungsi pan banong ba kita ki kalalong tang kita ki mat yelap election Henry kaseng kasngo banong lada ikong Bindas kum ilong kmi i hap ban mi nalayeng banwan hang ne po Shillong bandawa ya ka hok jong upai ba bubun balang hato kane kam diga jingle ran ya sorkar hato kane kam diga jingle ran ya kita ki nomi khmat ki bangil ajen kane gade kai ka bangi ngismo kum ka seng ba kadi ka failure jong ki nomi khmat ban convince ya ka sorkar kane gade ka failure jong ka sorkar ban fulfill ya kade jingkular ka baki la kle khmat jong pai ba bat le sala banong bala dade bangi kham ye keren jeliu ya kane ka benta i kumba ka jingdawa jong ka sarkar kalong bakan yo MLA jongka parti ka jongka nimla ban syus ngap kum gaseng ya ka igbal aja po mawati.
In the meantime, the executive engineer of the PWD Roads Nongpoh Division visited Bindas Syiem in Shillong, attempting to persuade her that the department had already submitted a proposal for the Nongpoh-Umden-Sonapur Road scheme. The sanctioning of the proposal was delayed due to the Model Code of Conduct imposed during the recent parliamentary elections, he added.
Kini ko wala dem. Temen-temen sepak biang ini, bagi lalek ke DPR kawai. Kata dengan saya anda ada dengan seperti itu.
Go ya kan ika shiti ke papi kami. Kublai shibun tang mana kalian jonga. Nah om pemesa. Habanga ngala ya ki kumne hi. Sisin bangala yang ya madan sin bangala ni ya madan na kalian jonga. Kat bangam padio ya ka aishurun ka tikna na ka taban pensna ya surong. Na ngan memuyang dalile di shangan ka jonga. Kata dongan keren beja ba.
Nama ke office dia kat Shillong.
Oh ya sebelum.
Bija tentang itu. Maka kan dia kena nyala semua dulu kena ya. Kan saya apa ini?
Ia kata ke bawaan sayo, ngin sayo kata ngalat thai dan skap. Nagalian juga ngalat thai dan skap dia kata ke bagi sayo. Kata ke dia ke sisya nama lagi terusnya ngin saat bet ngin sayo bet, ya sya bet. Kata ke kentin dia sya, kata ke kentin dia ap. Nagalian juga ngalak kadang ngalak niya eka kat pangapa dio iya ka ay syuram ka babiang ka bati kana nagalian juga ngan yang dalile em ya kan dia di ngan ga jonga tangkatang ang kuwa ban penpau maju pisar wat nam singaw e ngan kren ka pung ga jing singaw ga jonga he
Ini ke jong jong minister haswa kan ke election no. Teka kan ke MCC ke sedang no. Teka ke sakut kan minta kan saya. Di kot isla ki bangi ai ki la biang mereka approval teka kadai ke government bin.
Despite being shown the proposal documents, Bindas Syiem remained firm in her stance. She reiterated the fact that she would not abandon her protest until the actual repair work on the roads commenced.